Have you ever stopped to think about the purpose of life? Why have we been given the gift of existence? It's a question that has puzzled humanity for centuries, and everyone seems to have a different answer. But for me, I believe that we are here to struggle and to learn. Some people may argue that the purpose of life is to be happy, but I don't think that's true. Happiness is a fleeting emotion that can come and go in an instant. It's not something that we should be striving for all the time. Instead, I believe that we are here to do important things that are difficult and require us to push ourselves to our limits. It's through struggle that we find purpose. We learn the most when we are faced with challenges and obstacles that we must overcome. We become stronger and more resilient through our struggles, and we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. And yes, there will be pain and frustration along the way, but that's all part of the process. Going through tough times and coming out the other side is one of the most fantastic things about being human. Once you understand what life is really about, there's no emotion that isn't enjoyable. Even heartbreak can be a valuable experience because it helps us grow and learn. So, what is the purpose of life? I believe that it's to struggle, to endure pain, and to see just how hard we are to kill. It's about conquering challenges and achieving greatness. Look at history, and you'll see that the greatest conquerors of all time woke up every day and said, "Give me this. I want all of it." That's the purpose of life, to go out and conquer. Now, I'm not saying that life is all about struggle and pain. Of course, we should find moments of joy and happiness along the way. But it's important to remember that those moments are fleeting, and they shouldn't be our sole focus. We should be focused on doing important things that will make a difference in the world. Ultimately, if you want to feel content and happy inside yourself, you need to live true to your values and your beliefs. Don't chase after societal paradigms of happiness. Instead, focus on being a good person and doing good things in the world. If you do that, you'll find that happiness comes naturally. So, let's embrace the struggles and challenges of life. Let's learn from them, grow from them, and use them to become the best versions of ourselves. Because at the end of the day, that's what the purpose of life is all about: becoming the best possible version of ourselves and making a positive impact on the world. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without